G'day, it's been quite a while since I did a vlog on my Triumph project, and as you can see, since I did that last one, nothing much has happened. One of the reasons is because I'm procrastinating about what can go wrong. I know things are going to go wrong when I start working on painting this. Things have already started going wrong. I guess the thing is, my fear of making mistakes has stopped me from working on this project for months now. I've been finding all kind of excuses, like the weather's no good, I've got other stuff to do. For whatever reason, I've been making all of those excuses and doing nothing. I tell other people all the time, when you don't know what to do, the worst thing you can do is do nothing. And that's exactly what I've been doing. I've decided today I'm going to do something. Problem is, I haven't decided what that something is going to be yet. So I'm still in a dilemma. If you've done this type of project yourself, you might appreciate how stuck you can get. That's precisely where I am at the moment. Despite the fact that this is a tiny car, I feel like I've got Mount Everest in front of me. 22 degrees outside. I can't really blame the weather. Today is a perfect day for getting out here and doing something. My last plan was to get some primer on all of the surface that haven't got primer yet, which is the outside of the door skins, the outside of the boot lid, and the outside of the bonnet. Probably the sensible thing to do would be to just start off from what I was going to do last time, see if I can make progress on that. I've just decided that now. Something I've definitely been procrastinating over is I really need to sand back the headlights. The headlights in this car are pop-ups, which means I need to paint the bezels. For some unknown reason, I've been really reluctant to want to get started on those. I'll sand them back, see what I can do next after that. Alright, here they are. I can't even remember which one's left and right now. Go over them quickly, I guess. There's this rubber bezel that I need to remove off one. The other one's already been removed. Pretty sure these are aluminium under here. Might find out once I start sanding. There's definitely a few layers of paint on here. One of the car's resprays that went from burgundy to blue, and of course now it's going to yellow. Anyway, I'll get these out on the trolley and start the process, I guess. I've made another small step forwards in my project after quite a lot of time spent at that sander. I think I'm ready for a break and definitely a shower. That's probably enough for today. I'll see you in my next video, whatever that happens to be.